Summer's almost over, so I'm going to squeeze in a sunny cupcake before we get busy with the autumn recipes. I'm going to start by making a super quick lime flavoured cupcake, and this one's so quick I've already got my oven preheating ready to go. I'm going to start with the zest and the juice of 1 lime. Next, I'm going to boost the citrus flavour with some lemon extract. Then some plant milk, and I'm going to use coconut flavoured plant milk in this one. Then I've got sunflower oil, and finally golden caster sugar. I'm going to mix these on speed 3 for about 6 minutes to partly dissolve the sugar. Dry ingredients next, and I'm going to start with white spelt flour. Next I'm going to use pea protein, some baking powder, some salt, and some arrowroot. This is going to help us achieve a really light, fluffy cupcake. I'm going to hand mix these to make sure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Next I'm going to add my dry ingredients and mix on speed 1 for just 20 seconds. Quick scrape down and then mix again on speed 1 for 20 seconds. So I'm going to scale these at 85 to 90 grams each and bake them in a fan oven at 165 degrees C or 330 degrees Fahrenheit for about 24 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Our lime flavoured cupcakes are out of the oven. They've been cooling for over an hour. They smell fab already. We've got 2 stages left. We're going to make the coconut frosting in a second. Before we do that, we're going to prepare for the final stage right now. The final stage is we're going to put a kiwi chunk into the middle of our cupcakes. So I'm going to just brush a little bit of plant milk on the surface of the cupcake to soften the top. So when we use an apple corer to core the middle out, it won't crack the surface. Next, we're going to make our coconut frosting. This is going to be light and fluffy, and it's going to get its coconut flavour from 2 different sources. Firstly, from some coconut whipping cream. This has got to be very cold to use. And secondly, from some coconut flour, which is going to help thicken the frosting as well. And I'm going to combine these 2 coconutty ingredients with 2 more traditional ingredients. Firstly, some vegan shortening, which is going to help stabilise it at room temperature, and some icing sugar. So step 1, I'm going to combine the 2 wet ingredients. So I'm going to use my coconut whipping cream and my vegan shortening, and with a paddle attachment I'm going to mix these on speed 1 for just 30 seconds. Next I'm going to add the dry ingredients, icing sugar first of all, and my coconut flour. Next I'm going to mix this on a fast speed, speed 3 or maybe even speed 4 for at least a couple of minutes until it becomes really super smooth. I can see a little bit of coconut flour at the bottom there, so I'm just going to quickly scrape that up and restart the mixer. Little nerdy tip here, if your icing sugar is really lumpy before you start this, whack it in a food processor and blitz it for 10-20 seconds first. That'll speed this process up and your cream won't warm up too much whilst it's blending. This cream's already not as sweet as an American buttercream, but if you want to tweak it to be even less sweet, you can halve the icing sugar and just replace it with the same weight of coconut flour. That looks super light and fluffy, so I'm going to get that into my piping bag. I'm using a 1M nozzle for this one, and I'm going to just chill this for 5 minutes or so while I'm coring my cupcakes. I'm going to use an apple corer to make a little hollow in each cupcake, and I'm going to use the same corer to make a chunk of kiwi that will pop into the hollow for a fruity centre to our cupcakes. I'm going to pipe the frosting on top and finish off with a slice of kiwi and a zesting of lime. That is lovely, light and refreshing. The cream is so fluffy, it's almost like soft serve. The kiwi inside complements the zing and zest of that lime. What a summer cupcake. I am really happy with this. I hope you make it at home. The recipe's in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.